Hello everybody, this is Monster Tech here, back with another video. And today's video is the new iPad Pro 3 unboxing. So, I bought the smaller iPad Pro. This is the silver version. I think they messed up my package box again, like the iPad budget. Um, but this is the new iPad Pro 3. I got this nice. I got it before everybody else. So here it is. This is the new iPad Pro 3. It's got a heft to it. This is 9.7-inch instead of 10.5. So let's move that aside. So Apple's switching back to the 30-pin connector recently. So they include a 30-pin connector, 1 meter, and then we have a Apple charge brick below that. So let's put that aside and then bring in the iPad. So here's what it looks like. Basically the same as the budget iPad design. So it looks pretty nice. It's really nice. New design, although it's a little old design. But I mean, it can get the job done perfectly fine. And then so this has iOS 12 on it. So it has swipe to unlock again. So that's pretty cool. And then here's what it looks like. So um, the new iPad Pro 3 has an air gap. You might not be able to see it. It's not as noticeable as the budget iPad, but it's certainly there on this one. One thing to consider, to bear in mind when you purchase this. So with the new iPad Pro 3 out, who should buy it? So I know that this is a new iPad Pro and people will buy this no matter what. But who should actually buy this? I think that if you have an iPad Pro or older, like the original 2015 iPad Pro, not the new one, the second gen, and if you have the iPad Pro 9.7 or the 2015 iPad Pro 12.9, I think it's about time for an upgrade or anything older. But iPad Pro 2, you don't need it. But anyways, this is Monster Tech. I will see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.